Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be quickly looking at these Edison style bulbs that are rated for 60 watts. You can pick them up on Amazon. It's by Awesome Lighting, and we're just going to show you what box they come in and what we think. Let's do it. Okay, so these are the Awesome Lighting Edison Bulb 4-pack. These are the A19/A60s. They're a 60 watt rating. You can see some of these other numbers that are associated with these guys. This is a 4-pack that we picked up on Amazon for roughly 17 bucks. I'll put a link in the description box below if you'd like to buy them yourselves. And we needed something to replace some of our old Edison bulbs that came with that fixture I showed you. Here's basically the specifics, the inches that you can see for measurements. And then obviously we have the model and all of the other dimensions and ratings there. And basically Awesome Lighting has a bunch of different styles of these Edison bulbs. And so I just kind of wanted to quickly show you what these look like straight out of the box. Now, obviously this style of lighting is a little bit more expensive than say your LED bulbs or your traditional light bulbs. But again, they actually do a pretty great job of conserving energy. So as you can see, these are packed fairly well. And again, they come in this 4-pack. Obviously we've already taken 2 out. But let me just kind of show you what these guys look like. As you can see, they have that really cool filament looking thing there inside. It has this kind of glass blown look to it, but it fits right into your regular lighting fixture socket. And the one thing that is different about these guys is they do have a little bit of a tint. So let me kind of hold this up. This is our original bulbs. And as you can see, these guys have this almost yellowish tint to them. So that was a little bit of a bummer. The other ones are a lot more clear, and so you can see we replaced a couple of these with that bulb that has the yellowish tint. So again, that's my only real complaint about these guys, is that it's very hard to match the original kind of clearer bulbs that you find when you order your fixture directly. So let me go ahead and turn these on for you. Again, this is a daytime demonstration, but I'll show you that they really do put out some really great light. Okay, there you go. See, once they are on, you really cannot tell the difference between these bulbs. So it's mostly just during the daytime when you have them off that you'll see that difference in tint. They look really, really great. And again, they put off the same wattage as some of these other ones that we received. So again, I'm gonna give a thumbs up on these guys. They're not super cheap, but these are one of the cheapest options on Amazon. Again, links will be in the description box below. If this video's helped, hit that thumbs up button and stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a bunch more product review, unboxings and reviews, things like that. Subscribe because those videos are coming out soon. Friends, thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.